What did I say?
Just
I'm
say-
scared, right? Right, so I got my ODI grips. Pretty good. Just easy. Pink and blue, yeah. Got my jawbone stem. Bit of a tank, you know.
Piece of shit.
Got my Octane 1 spark frame for Christmas. My Argyle 302 forks. Probably going to snap soon. Argyle 302s, perfect for the foot jam. Oh, maybe not. Very good for the foot jam. Because the lowest model. Hope Pro 2 Evo hubs with my specially roared spokes and DMR DV rims. Got bum sets on my frame. Got the Dangor Fort Special Hope M4 brake. Needs a bleed, to be honest. VSD raster seat, like it. Race face cranks, bit tankish. Slippy Odyssey pedals, Matt Radford loves them. Love them. Got a bent Avid disc. Yeah. Got a, what chain is it?
KMC.
Got a KMC chain.
It's absolutely wank.
Yeah, yeah.
Should be a half link.
£6. Fire Eye headset. Pretty decent bar spins, even though I can't bar spin, but you know.
Attempts anyway.
Yeah, anyway. Moving on. Got a Kenda K-Rad tyre. I don't really like it, to be honest. Got my Unit 23 skate park band, and I've never even been. So I thought that was pretty funny. And my Wallaby tabletop tyre.
Wainer tubes.
Got Willish's Special, which I think is pretty cool. Oh, I got a rusty seat post, just to add to the value.
What bottom bracket? The awkward questions.
Race face bottom bracket came with the cranks.
Sprocket is.
Sprocket is a Chinook TRB specialist, and I've got a rusty bolt. Thank you.
Some masking tape to hold your brake on.
Masking tape, yeah. Thanks to my dad. Good guy, good guy. Yeah, and I've got 12 bars in my bike check, sorry. NF proof. It's all rubbed off though from the bike outlet. Rip off them like that. Look how flexy they are though. Awesome
like
for.
forks.
It's not. I'm telling you. That's for springing off jumps when you want to go really high.
Or casing.
Or casing, yeah, if you don't want to trust your stem.